So happiness sometimes can just be when we do some sense gratification, we get a little feel of happiness. So such happiness can just be something that is very temporary, not permanent. But spiritual bliss means something that is permanent. So we are all looking for happiness that is just not flickering, temporary. We are looking for permanent happiness. And that permanent happiness can come only when we are connected to permanent things. And what is that permanent thing? Krishna. Satyam, Satyam, Punas Satyam, Harer Namaiva Kevalam. So when we are connected to Krishna, who is that absolute truth, one of the names of Krishna is Ram. Ram means the source of all pleasure. So the things in this world give us little pleasure, but they are not the source of all pleasure. So the source of all pleasure is that Supreme Lord, Ram, Krishna. So when we connect to Krishna and that Supreme Lord, then we can experience spiritual bliss. Hare Krishna.